Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm John, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can be able to remove the background of a picture in PowerPoint. If you find this video helpful, kindly click that like button, subscribe to my channel so that you can get this and more videos in future. And without so much ado, let's get started. Open the PowerPoint application. Insert the picture that you wish to remove the background. Click on the Format tab and select Remove Background. Resize the selection to fit the image. Now, we need to tell PowerPoint the areas of the picture we intend to remove and those that we intend to keep. The areas to be removed will be marked in purple. At the Background Removal tab, pick the Mark Areas to Remove tool. Draw lines to mark the areas you want to remove from the picture. At the Background Removal tab, pick the Areas to Keep tool. Draw lines to mark the areas you want to keep in the picture. And that's how you can remove background from a picture in PowerPoint. Hope the video was helpful. Kindly like the video, leave your comment, suggestions or questions in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos in future. See you in the next one.